Welcome to 39 Oceanpearl Crescent, a wonderful 4+1 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms, situated within Whitby's high-demand Blue Grass Meadows community. A large stone front terrace also provides complementary parking for the driveway and double-car garage, and beyond the entry door of the covered front porch is a naturally bright foyer. Its ceramic flooring continued throughout the main hallway, which leads into open-theme principal rooms. Finished with richly hued hardwood flooring and illuminated by a modern chandelier, the elegant formal dining room is also filled with natural light through its 2 windows and through a wall cutout shared with the adjacent south-facing kitchen. 2 oversized entries off the hallway gives it an exceptional ease of flow for entertaining, and the generous size of this room allows for a conversation area or for more dining space, whichever is needed or desired. Hardwood flooring also finishes the graciously sized family room, which has a large south-facing window for natural light, a soft neutral decor that enhances its airy brightness, as well as ample space for entertaining family and friends, and which is fully open to the eat-in kitchen. Featuring a beautiful contemporary light fixture above its breakfast area, the kitchen has a great functional layout and showcases the brightness of white cabinetry offering abundant storage, the modern sleekness of stainless steel seen with a double-wide undermount sink, built-in dishwasher and microwave, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a side-by-side fridge-freezer, as well as the classic finishing touch of stone countertops with a mosaic glass tile backsplash. The wall pass-through to the dining room is a welcome convenience while entertaining, and during the warm weather months, entertaining easily spills to the outdoors onto a partially covered raised deck in the backyard. The deck has a louvered railing for privacy on its south and east sides, as well as a stone patio beneath it, while a set of stairs leads down to a fenced backyard with a storage shed and plenty of space for play and gardening. Off a short side hall is a coat closet, a powder room with pedestal sink, as well as a sunken laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, updated storage cabinets and stone countertops, a stainless steel sink, and access to the garage. And to the upper level is a beautiful oak hardwood staircase. At the lower mid-landing is a large window, while also brightening the foyer and the upper level landing is a second-story window, as well as a lantern-style light fixture suspended from the foyer's soaring cathedral ceiling. Carpeted throughout, this level features 4 spacious bedrooms, with the 4th bedroom having a turret wall with 3 windows and a double-sized closet with single door, while the 3rd bedroom features a double closet with mirrored doors. These 2 bedrooms also have their own semi-private access to the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and completing the common area of this level is the 2nd bedroom, which has a double-sized closet with single door, as well as a spacious linen closet that is located just off the staircase landing. Enjoying a south-facing exposure and abundant natural light streaming through its 2 windows, the bright master bedroom also features a graciously sized walk-in closet with organizers, as well as a 5-piece ensuite washroom showcasing double basins and an upgraded vanity light with its wall-to-wall vanity, a shower area with glass door, a corner jetted tub, and ceramic finishes throughout. Just steps to a footpath that connects to green space surrounding the neighborhood, and a short walk to a pond and a playground, This home is located in a family-oriented neighborhood and is within the catchment area of top-notch schools, including Bellwood Public School, St. Paul Catholic Elementary School, and Anderson Collegiate and Vocational Institute, as well as John Dryden Public School, St. Mark the Evangelist Catholic Elementary School, Donald A. Wilson Secondary School, and Father Leo J. Austin Catholic Secondary School, which offer French immersion programs. To the lower level is a hardwood staircase, and off the lower landing is fantastic storage which includes a cold room, plus 2 storage closets under the stairs, one with mirrored sliding doors. Featuring pot lighting, laminate and ceramic flooring, as well as a separate entrance, the remainder of this level is a lovely in-law suite showcasing oversized windows, a recreation area, an eat-in kitchen with fridge, stove, microwave, stainless steel sink, and ample cabinetry storage, a very spacious bedroom with a double closet, a 3-piece washroom with a walk-in shower area, ceramic finishes, and a space-saving vanity, as well as garden doors opening onto the stone patio under the backyard's raised deck. Just minutes from Whitby's Entertainment Centrum and the Thixon Ridge Power Center shopping mall, both with a wide variety of retailers, restaurants, and specialty services. This home is also close to the Whitby Mall and Durham College, while the Whitby GO Station, Whitby's exceptional waterfront parks along Lake Ontario, and access to Highway 401 are all short drives away.